Hello everyone, we're back with an egg RNG video. Um, this is very interesting. This is the only egg that I've attempted to create, and hopefully it is shiny. It's an Azurill. But yeah, watch Blissy's video on how to do egg RNG using a Japanese tool, and also match call. One thing to keep in mind is match call has 84 trainers. If you don't have all 84, nothing works like it's supposed to. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, watch Blissy's video on this type of RNG. Anyways, let's get this down on the working mat. Oh, and we've got some stuff back here. We've got Quagsire, Shining, Hidden Fates, looking good, even for a regular shiny card. And of course, the foreman always in the back, watching over things, Mr. Charizard. Raw, hatch that egg. Alright, Charizard. Yes, sir. Alright, let's see what happens here, guys. Hopefully it's a shiny Azurill. Wow, there he is. Nice and green. But yes, that is our shiny Azurill. Hatched from an egg, the only way you can get them. And as we normally do, no nicknames. Well, yeah, guys, here to show you some stuff, and you'll learn all of this from Blissy's video. You need this type of RNG. You need a Pokemon as a lead with Lightning Rod. So I had an Electrike. You need something that can fly you to places, specifically to the final four, the gym over there. And then from there you need something with Flame Body to help hatch the eggs faster. But and here's my two Pokemon I bred, a Marill and a Ditto. He needs the he needs to hold something. He needs to hold some sea incense in order for us to get the Azurill. Love Ditto. And here's Azurill. Thick and fat. It's an adamant natured Azurill too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, and just in case you're interested, here you go. But alright guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We've got one Pokemon left to complete the decks and all shiny. It's been one hell of an adventure. So I'll be working on that Snorunt here pretty soon. Alright guys, over and out. Peace.